Hello and welcome to a new Lambda of the month. The Lambda we will talk today is called ReverseArray, and as said in the name, it is for reversing arrays, and it only needs 3 arguments, or only 1 argument, because the first argument is an array, so you actually have to give the Lambda an array, and then 2 optional arguments that can be used either independently or in conjunction. And yeah, let's see what this does. So here we can give it an array. This can be also a dynamic array or even a dynamic array inside, let's say, a let statement where you have, for example, a filter function returning a dynamic array. And if you return, only use the non-optional argument, then it will return a regular array. But if you want to reverse it vertically, you type in here 1, and it is then upside down. Sides can be changed if you do this horizontal, and you can also do both. So reverse it both vertically and horizontally. Let's see what is under the hood. It's quite a basic Lambda, but if you know how to model with arrays, and if you use arrays extensively, it is super useful. So here I'm counting rows and columns. Then this is my approach for is omitted, because I also want to have something, if someone is typing in here false or something like that, I want to also have it as an omitted argument, so to say. Then I'm combining both arguments, because I'm either returning 0 or 1, and do then the 4 combinations, the 4 possible combinations, and then use choose rows and sequence, or choose calls and sequence, or both in combination, to return the array and reverse it as according to the instructions. Yeah, that was everything for reverse array. You will also find the file in the video description, and I hope that you can use this Lambda in your daily life or Excel Esport. Thank you. Bye.